Alright guys, this is take 2 of the problem I'm having, 91 VW Golf crank no start issue here. I'm getting fuel because my fuel pump's working. I have great compression, I tested it, and no spark when I pull a plug. This I got secured down. Now those clips broke, they always break, but I got it secure and it's in the right spot, I know that. I moved the ground from the intake manifold to the head like I was told to. The problem I'm seeing, I just noticed this. I don't know what that grounded. That is a problem I saw. And also, where am I here? Here. This went on a bolt to the back of the coil. There's that bolt right there. Connects back to it. I'm not sure where that went. So I don't know if those are important or if they're nothing, but since it's a Volkswagen, it probably is important. Otherwise, I'm just going to do a quick scan over this and let you guys look at all my wiring real quick here. The problem was when I put this new coolant pipe in, that's when I started having all the troubles. Also, there is a ground missing from my coolant flange, it looks like. Maybe that broke off while I was doing the coolant pipe, I'm not sure. I don't know where that would have connected to since it's gone now. But yeah, there's nothing grounded on that. That and that is gone. I don't know if those are my problems for not getting spark or not. There's my coolant sensors. I replaced them both. Timing belt is good. It hasn't skipped a thing or anything. Brand new battery, brand new starter, brand new coil, brand new sensors. But I'll show you guys real quick what it does. Obviously it just cranks and I get your usual flashing light there. Yeah, cranks, does not fire at all. Also the radio doesn't work, but that's for a later date. But piece of horn works. Any help is appreciated.